Well, something a little bit of tools of the trade, so to speak. A measuring tape. Sounds a little bit strange that I'm carrying a measuring tape with me, but actually there is a few reasons that I carry a measuring tape. Number one is that I measure the settings and that they are at the right level. And I would measure every one of them. So it's about 16 inches. Also, I might have to measure something in clothes-wise for probably shortening or lengthening a trousers for somebody. So there's many uses for this. I also carry it with me, which I don't have on me today because I couldn't bring it with me, but I have a little penknife, which is a Swiss knife it's called. There's a little scissors. I carry a sewing kit that if somebody wants something sewn very quickly. So, you know, those things that you have to do in emergencies. My job is always to be finding solutions. So these are little tools that we have in our midst.